Now we are going to centering content. Centering content. If you want to center a box on a particular page, you can set the left margin and the right margin to auto. In order to center a box on a page, you need to set the width of the box. Okay, otherwise it will take up the full width of the page. Once you have specified the width of the box, setting the left and right margins to auto will make the browser put an equal gap on each side of the box. This centers the box on the particular page, let's say the entire body page, within the elements that the box sits inside. In order for this to work in older browsers, particularly Internet Explorer 6, the element that the box sits in should also have a text alignment property with its value set to center. The text alignment property is inherited by child element, okay, not like the margins. The alignment is inherited, but the margins and the padding is not inherited. You therefore also need to specify the text align property on the centered box if you do not want the text inside it to be what? To also be centered. Now this is the code, the HTML of the entire body, and this is the CSS of the entire body. I'll try and do this in the text editor. Now this is my text editor. I'm going to maintain these two paragraphs, but I will make some changes in the CSS, okay, to explain centering of the box. So let me enter this. Now this is for the entire body, so let me comment the entire CSS out. Okay, so I've commented all the above CSS rules just to explain the centering. Okay, so this I'll align it to the center, the entire body, and then for the paragraph I'll give it a width of 300 pixels, padding of 50, border of 20 with a solid color around it. I'll also give the second paragraph, which is the one with the class name of example. I'll give it a margin, okay, of 10, and I'll give it auto. That means I should put equal width on the left and the right, and then I'll align it to the writings of the paragraph to the left. Let me save this and then go to my web page and refresh. Okay, when I refresh, I'm going to see this at the center. That is it. This is exactly what I want to do. This is what I want to explain. Okay, this is exactly what I want to explain. Putting the content in the center. Now look at the text. The text is in the center of the box. Center of the box, aligned to the left. This is in the center. My audio is in the center. This paragraph is in the center. It's auto. It's also auto. Look at the top and down, same width. This is exactly what I wanted to explain. So I had to comment out all my other styles. Okay.